YouTube channel. Exploring Dominica.
Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón.
1, 2, 3, Jungle Boy.
OMG, it's Ashley again. Subscribe.
I stick to the block.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Driving with Ashley. I know like the location is very different. Basically, you're welcome to my new series, which is Exploring Dominica. Currently I'm in Dominica, I'm a medical student, and then like, I just wanted to use this opportunity to like explore and see different places, you know. This series, I'm going to be taking you to different places on this island just to see and just to have a feel of what it feels like living in the Caribbean. Enjoying this series so far, hit that like button, subscribe button to see more. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to Driving with Ashley again.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessing, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you.
Hi guys, reporting live Exploring Dominica season 1. Successfully got to the sailboat, however they pronounce it. I am literally so scared of water. I mean, this year I'm going to try a lot of things I've never actually tried before. But yep, I'm not scared again. I passed. Please hold her carefully, thanks. I need to sit down. He left you guys. OMG. Andrew, your body. Come on. I don't know I'm doing well. I'm ready for this.
Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón.
1, 2, 3, Jungle Boy.
Un ladrón se robó a mí mi corazón.
Okay, say hi to my vlog. Guys, say hi to our captain.
Porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Ladrón y yo quiero tu corazón, corazón.
Un amor empecé a vivir, pero por el dolor ya no puedo seguir.
Porque yo soy un ladrón.
Hi, it's Editing Ashley. I hope you're enjoying the first video in this series. I've had this video since March long. Yeah, we arrived at Toucarie Bay, and Toucarie Bay is a quiet little bay in North Dominica. We talked, we played, we ate, and I really loved the restaurant. The aesthetics are so cool, like I don't know, but it's just so pretty, and the beach is so beautiful. Like guys, nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful, and The surrounding just gives you like this quiet, cool beach vibe. Yeah. We met a Rasta and here's what he had to say to us.
You want to take a Rasta picture, you should take it on the boat. Oh my God. You love to see Rasta? White beard, you know. Nigeria.
Yes,
Africa.
Africa. Everybody's African, but we have different countries.
Okay, that's a new.
Yeah.
I mean, if everybody.
So a Nigerian, he's Congolese, Somalian,
Yeah.
Ghanaian.
I had a very good friend, you know, when I was Antigua from Mozambique and
Yeah, they are all Africans, but different countries.
Good friends. I have a friend who used to teach in the
It's almost time to leave. The kids are playing and it was so nice watching them. The sun was beginning to set and slowly the day was just gradually coming to a close. So it was almost time to leave and we had to wait for the captain to pull the boat close and we all tried to get in. Yeah. The captain also let us sail for some time. He was teaching us how to, you know, control and understand the way to move about using this means of transportation. Yeah, so my friends and I also sailed for the first time. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that this is sailing, right? Yeah, so slowly the nightfall came and the day was gradually becoming over. So after this we just went home and I really thank God that we had the opportunity to see this place because I've never been here before. Yeah, so this is the end and see you in my next video.